Hi, this is the TP-Link TL-WA850RE and let's connect it via the smartphone. First of all, you need to download the TP-Link Tether application from App Store or Play Store. So install this application and make sure that you have the same picture on your extender. The power and wireless indicator should be glowing solid blue. Your extender, of course, must be connected to the internet and broadcasted Wi-Fi. So once the application installed, open it, allow the notifications or don't allow, agree to the terms and conditions, this is mandatory, and you have to log in or create a TP-Link ID if you still don't have one. Let me skip the creation process because it's super easy, like registration somewhere on Facebook. Let me just log in and show you how it works. You can turn on the fingerprint logging, but I'll do it later, maybe. And two-step verification, maybe later too. Okay. Now I see my main router in the devices list on the home screen, but I need to see this extender. To do this, I need to connect to the extender's network. I can do it in Wi-Fi settings of my device. So this is network I need to connect to, TP-Link extender. Let's connect. Connected. Once connected, you can go back to the application, and here it is. Our device is here. If you don't see your extender here, tap on the plus button in the top right corner and tap on Add a range extender. Make sure that LEDs are solid on the extender. Confirm this by tapping on the button. And grant the location permission while using the app. Then tap on next. Searching for the extender. That's it. Now the phone is connected to the extender and you have to set device password. This is not Wi-Fi password. So far this is password to access the settings management, settings of your extender. So let it be simple, but not too simple. At least one letter is recommended. Let's compare. It's okay. Next. So now you need to select which network do you wish to extend. This is the single band network, so it suggests you to select only 2.4 GHz band. This is my network's name, my Wi-Fi. Of course, you have to select yours and enter your current Wi-Fi password. Then tap on next. Check if everything is correct. And tap on next once again. Here you can change the extender's name. By default, the name is the same as for your main network, but with EXT abbreviation added to the end. I will not rename the extender this time. Now just wait for settings to be applied. And now you pretty much want to see this picture, the screen confirm location on your smartphone and the full illumination on your extender. The Ethernet indicator must be empty because you are not connected by the cable, but the Wi-Fi signal indicator must be full because we are close to the router now, and of course the power and wireless and range extending indicators must be glowing solid blue. That's it. After you see this picture, you can unplug your extender and plug it back in to another outlet somewhere in spotty Wi-Fi area, but it must be still in the router's range, so you can see the level of signal on this circle. If the signal is too weak, you need to relocate your extender closer to the router. After you're okay with the extender's location, tap on next, and you can copy password now and connect to your new network in your Wi-Fi settings. So here it is, my Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz extended. Connected without password so far, but if you need password, it's the same as for your main network. So let's go back to the application. No internet. I don't think it's true, because I'm sure I have internet, so I can just tap here and everything's fixed, working well. So in this application now you can manage different settings. For example, you can tap on extended network and here change your network name, type of security and password, set the different password for your extender, for example. Or you can tap on more and manage more settings, block list, location assistance, select between maximum coverage and power saving, and so on. So guys, I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Be awesome. Bye guys.